Successful monetary policies in the Philippines. Number 1. Inflation Targeting Framework. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas adopted an inflation targeting framework in the early 20s, aiming to maintain price stability and anchor inflation expectation. This policy framework has been instrumental in reducing inflation volatility and achieving the BSP inflation targets over the years. Number 2. Interest rate adjustments. The BSP has effectively used interest rate adjustment to respond to changing economic conditions and achieve its monetary policy objectives. For instance, during periods of economic slowdown or high inflationary pressures, the BSP has adjusted interest rates to stimulate economic growth or curb inflation respectively. Number 3. Open market operations. The BSP open market operations have played a crucial role in managing liquidity conditions in the banking system and achieving its monetary policy objectives by conducting regular open market operation. The BSP has been able to influence the money supply, interest rates, and overall economic activity in the Philippines. Effectiveness, banking practices, and economic growth. Number 1. Financial intermediation. Bank plays a vital role in financial intermediation by effective banking practices and economic growth. Number 1. Financial intermediation. Banks plays a vital role in financial intermediation by channeling funds from savers to borrowers, facilitating investment and stimulating economic growth. Effective banking practices such as prudent lending standards, risk management, and sound corporate governance contribute to the efficient allocation of resources and sustainable economic development. Promotion of financial inclusion. Banks that offer inclusive banking products and services tailored to the needs of underserved and unbanked segments of the population contribute to financial inclusion, poverty reduction, and inclusive economic growth. By expanding access to financial services, banks help empower individuals and small businesses, enabling them to participate more fully in the economy and improve their livelihoods. Challenges faced by monetary authorities and banks. Number 1. External shocks. The Philippine economy is susceptible of external shocks such as global economic downturns, fluctuations in commodity prices, and geopolitical tensions which can impact domestic economic conditions, financial stability, and the effectiveness of monetary policy. Number 2. Cybersecurity risks. With the increasing digitization of banking services, monetary authorities and banks face growing cybersecurity risks, including cyber attacks, data breach, and fraud, which can undermine consumer confidence, financial stability, and the integrity of the financial system. Number 3. Financial stability risk. Rapid credit growth, excessive risk-taking, and asset price bubbles in the banking sector can pose risk to financial stability and necessitate proactive regulatory and supervisory measures to mitigate systematic risk and prevent financial crisis. Strategies and solutions employed to address these challenges. Number 1. Robust policy framework. The monetary authorities such as the BSP employ a robust policy frameworks including macro-prudential measures, capital buffers, and stress testing to identify and address systemic risks, enhance the resilience of the banking sector, and maintain financial stability. Number 2. Enhance cybersecurity measures. Bank invests in the advance of cybersecurity technologies, infrastructure, and employs training to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber threats effectively. Collaboration between banks, regulatory authorities, and law enforcement agencies is crucial to sharing information, best practices, and coordinating response to cybersecurity incidents. Number 3, financial education and consumer protection. Monetary authorities and banks prioritize financial education, consumer protection, and financial literacy initiatives to empower consumers, enhance their awareness of financial risks and responsibilities, and promote responsible financial behavior. Educated and informed consumers are better equipped to make sound financial decisions, avoid financial pitfalls, and safeguard their financial well-being. In conclusion, effective monetary policy, sound banking practices, and proactive strategies to address challenges are essential for achieving sustainable economic growth, maintaining financial stability, and ensuring the resilience and integrity of the financial system in the Philippines. Continuous collaboration, innovation, and adaptability among monetary authorities, banks, and other stakeholders are crucial to navigating the evolving economic and financial landscape and promoting inclusive and sustainable development for all.